Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change our background with AI in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Photoshop application, and after that, we're going to use this feature to change our background with AI. You can select this feature, generative fill. Okay, and then choose the photo that you want to edit. For instance, I'm going to edit this photo. Okay, select the photo, and then we're going to remove the background of this photo. You can use the brush to remove the background like this. Oops, sorry guys, I'm going to erase it. Okay, oh my god, I know it's not perfect guys, but this is just for an example. And then I'm going to go to the replace, and you can describe the image you want to generate for the background. I'm just going to generate dark forest. Okay, and then select generate, and the AI will automatically generate image for you. Okay, and you can choose the image that you want, and I'm just going to choose this one guys, and then you are going to click on this check mark, and once you're ready to save your photo, you can click on this icon. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change our background with AI in Photoshop application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.